Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LangChain chains after model and prompt changes, full guide step by step clearly. To restore LangChain chains after making changes to your model and prompts, follow these steps. Begin by gathering all necessary components of your LangChain setup. Ensure you have the latest version of LangChain installed. Open your project file in your preferred code editor. Identify the specific changes made to the model and prompts. Back up your existing chain configuration to avoid data loss. Navigate to the configuration file responsible for your LangChain setup. Adjust the model settings according to the new specifications. Update the prompts based on your recent changes. Rebuild the LangChain chains by invoking the appropriate initialization functions. Run the tests to verify that the new configurations are functioning properly. Monitor output for any errors or unexpected results. If issues arise, debug by checking the logs for detailed errors. Consult the LangChain documentation for troubleshooting advice related to your specific changes. Once everything is working correctly, document the changes for future reference. Commit your updated configurations to version control to maintain a history of adjustments. Now your LangChain chains should be restored and functional with the new model and prompt configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.